G'day and welcome to the mobile channel. And I just did a video over on my main channel on how to share your video links from YouTube on a desktop. I'm going to share how to do it on the YouTube app on your phone. And for this demonstration, I am using the iPhone, but the same thing applies on Android. So the first thing you need to do is go and find the YouTube app. All right, so I've opened up the YouTube app, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to my channel just to make it easy. Say I want to share my most recent video here, the secrets, new YouTube monetization defaults. First way I could do it is simply by tapping those three dots right there, going down and share, and simple as clicking copy link. The link is copied to my clipboard, and now I can paste that to go over to Twitter or Instagram or wherever it is I want to go, WhatsApp, I don't care what it is, but you can go over there and just hit paste and it will paste in. The second way is to actually go all the way into the video. So the video is going to go in and play. We're just going to pause that. And if you go down here below the video, there's a share option. It's quite small on mobile. Click the share. You'll get exactly the same option that we just mentioned. So click copy link. It is copied to the clipboard. Then I can, of course, jump on over to, say, Threads, for example, and hit the create button and hit paste. And there's a link right there. And some of them will even search that out and paste a thumbnail automatically for you. But that depends on the app that you're actually setting it to. So it's as simple as that on the mobile device. If you want to see how to do it on a desktop, I'm linking it up in the places and in the description below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. And this is Doug, and I'll catch you later.